My dearest Eman, I have always known that your love for me was real because every time I ask you why you love me, you always give the same answer. Mahal kita dahil kay Kristo.
I can feel your love in every beat of my heart.
I find it amazing that we have so many things in common. We both love music, we have the same interests, we even have the same first three letters in our names.
My memories cannot remember.
I stand here, moments away from the grand union of our hearts. I can help but marvel to the incredible journey that has brought us to this moment. You, my love, are the code that transformed my ordinary life into extraordinary adventure.
From now on, till the last breath of my life, all I want is be with you and never leave your side.
We are both writers. You write codes, I write news. But although we can write, I trust only God to be the author of our story. No matter how it is written, I trust our faith to the Almighty.
Give me the story of my life.
I thought our love story was just cliche. There was this person that I liked, and you, as our mutual friend, were supposed to be our tulay. But instead of making him feel the same way, you were the one who ended up falling for me. That's when I realized the big plot twist that was about to happen. You were not the bridge in my love story. There was actually a greater bridge between us. And it was the perfect bridge because it brought me to you. God led me straight to you.
And I won't let you fall. I won't let you go. No matter where you are, no matter where you are, I'll be there.
Today, as we execute this beautiful ceremony, I want you to know that you're not just my bride. You're the elegant solution in every algorithm my heart has ever encountered. With God's help, I promise to cherish and honor you, to support and encourage you in all of your dreams.
We'll hold on to everything we've got. A quitter and
Ingatan kayo at gabayan kayo ng Panginoon sa inyong tatahakin na panibagong buhay na magkasama.
May bago ka ng buhay na sasamahan. Kaya yung sinabi ko sa inyo na dati, yung sa aral ng Diyos kayo magsama, yung pa rin. Magpatuloy kayo sa ganun.
nothing can stop. And I won't let you fall. I won't let you go. No matter where.
Thank you for patiently waiting for me. It has been a long journey and now I can finally walk with you. Tunay ngang mas masarap lumakad ng may kasama, lalo na kapag nasa gitna natin si Kristo.
Ako na magsusuot niyan pagtapos.
As we embark on a new chapter of our lives, I have faith in God that He will never leave us nor forsake us. Despite the obstacles that we will encounter along the way, I hope that we can continue to fulfill our duties to the church and to our loved ones. A lot of people say that the phrase happy wife, happy life is the best marriage advice. But I don't want you to follow that. Huwag mong sundin yung gusto ko para lang mapasaya ako. Ang sundin natin ay yung gusto ni Kristo para mapasaya natin ang Diyos. We may get tired, but we will not give up. Together, we will rest and God is our refuge. We may stumble on our path, but we will get back on our feet. And if there comes a time that you must fall for me each time. I will keep my hand ready for your reach and prepared to embrace your flaws.
I vow to be your partner in laughter and tears, to be your confidant and your greatest fan. I eagerly looking forward to debugging life's challenges together and optimizing our love for this lifetime. I love you.
Salamat sa Diyos at dumating ang araw na ito at magkakaroon ka na ng sariling pamilya. Dadating ang panahon, yung mati-cherish mo yung panahon ngayon na maitawid mo sa mga anak mo yung kung paano ka namin pinalaki at naging mabuting tao at masunurin sa Panginoon.
Sa bagong mag-asawa, kailangan talaga na yun ang lagi natin sa isip. Halimbawa, sino mali, yun ang dapat magpakumbaba.
Ang unang pag-aasawa, ang Diyos ang may akda. Therefore, ang patnugot po ng pag-aasawa ay ang Diyos. Kaya kami po minamarapat namin na sangguniin mismo ay ang batas ng Diyos with regard dyan sa pag-aasawa para magkasama hanggang sa kamatayan yung aral ng Diyos pagtutulungan ninyong sundin.
Eman, ito ang lagi mong tatandaan. Hindi kita iiwan dahil mahal kita sa tunay na kahulugan. Today, as we celebrate exactly 8 years of love, I want to thank God for giving me the man of my prayers and for never letting me go through a heartbreak. You are my first and my last with certainty. I hope that our love will last until eternity.
Oh, paumanhit, wala ka man sa alaala ko'y habang buhay kita mamahalin.
Even though I believe that we are meant for each other, I know this is not yet our happily ever after. Loobin, sa awa at tulong ng Diyos, sana magkasama pa rin tayo hanggang sa buhay na walang hanggan. Only then can we truly experience a real happy ending.
Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano.